This is a Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro 14-inch laptop powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 Series C processor. And if you're looking for a laptop that can elevate your everyday entertainment, this is a great choice. Let's take a look at why. This laptop is perfect for streaming after work. Thanks to the 14-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, here you get 1000 nits in HDR, which means your content will be ultra bright and have super high contrast. The image is sharp and detailed too, so you won't miss any important Easter eggs in the background. And you also get true to life colors, so whatever you're watching will look exactly how the directors and colorists intended. Plus, the Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor optimizes how the laptop works to give you 30 hours of video playback on one charge. It's great for casual gaming with smooth visuals and responsive performance. The adaptive refresh rate intelligently adjusts between 30 Hz and 120 Hz to give you smooth motion when you need it and save energy when you don't, so you won't get lag or motion blur in your more fast-paced racing games. You can even game and stream outside thanks to Vision Booster, which adjusts the brightness of the screen based on your surroundings. And between your gaming and streaming, this is also ideal for your everyday tasks, whether that's browsing, multitasking, or keeping up with friends. It's got the power for all your most used apps and can handle having multiple tabs open at once without lag, which is all thanks to Intel's powerful Core Ultra 7 Series 3 processor. If you'd like more info about the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.